Apply and rub oil all over the underarm 3 times. Press Ji-Chuan Heart 1 with the palm side of the wrist 3 to 5 times. Stroke along the gallbladder channel to the underarm and slide to the fingers 3 times. Push on supraclavicular lymph nodes and then slide to the fingers 3 times. Push the following channels: long channel, pericardian channel, heart channel 3 times. Stroke along the entire arm and slide to the fingers 3 times. Tie a knot on the other tube when using just one tube. Underarm lymphatic detoxification. Coupled with hand, push the cup from side of the chest to gallbladder channel and slide to the underarm 3 times. Start from the elbow, pushing treatment channels to the arms 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Detoxification through moving cupping. Move the cups towards the underarm, tracing the gallbladder channel 3 times. Select the cup of your choice and glide along the arm in parallel lines 1 to 2 times. Adjust pressure accordingly. Detoxification through fixed cupping. Untie the knot when using both tubes. Select the cup of your choice and fixate the cups on liver channel and gallbladder channel of the inner and outer side of the arm for around 5 to 10 minutes. The red or purple marks seen after gua sha, also known as scribbing, represent old, non-circulating blood and metabolic wastes, which will disappear naturally. Adjust pressure accordingly.